Tornado emergency for downtown Omaha. This is an extremely dangerous and unusual situation for locations in the warned area. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for western Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Douglas County in east central Nebraska, until 3:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over southeastern Omaha, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Tornado emergency for downtown Omaha. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Omaha and Western Council Bluffs. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Flash flood emergency for downtown Omaha. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a flash flood warning for west central Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, eastern Douglas County in east central Nebraska, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, satellite estimates and automated gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 10 inches of rain in 1 hour have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This is a flash flood emergency for downtown Omaha. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: satellite and automated gauges. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Omaha, Northern Council Bluffs, Carter Lake, Boys Town, Crescent and Narrows River Park. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.